Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Youre here. I know you guys are probably wondering, like, girl, where have you been? If you guys see me looking down, I'm looking down at my phone because I made some notes here so I can stay on topic so that this video don't get like all crazy, you know. Anywho, I know you guys are here because you are growing your channel. You are growing your Instagram, your Facebook, your Pinterest, whatever you have, your blog, you are growing it and you are ready to start making coins. You are ready for brand ambassadors to start reaching out to you, and y'all, I swear they will come. I know for a fact when I first started, I felt like I was putting so much into my work and my pictures and everything, but I wasn't hearing nothing from nobody company. Nobody was reaching out to me, offering me products. It's really not even about your number count. Don't ever be afraid about that. It's literally about your content, your consistency, and your work ethic. But we're gonna talk a little bit more about each one in a second. So these are 5 simple steps that you can start doing today, that you need to start doing today. And I guarantee you, if you do this consistently for a month, you're gonna start getting companies reaching out to you, either paying you to promote their products or at least sending you free products so that you can promote them. So the very first thing is the most obvious one, and y'all, I cannot stress this enough. Take quality pictures, okay? I'm about to just be real bold and let you know that your Samsung phone is just not gonna cut. It's just not gonna do it. Everybody's different and every situation is different. Obviously, I'm not about to just completely knock a Samsung or Android phone because some people take pictures with those and they do just fine, but I recommend the iPhone. I don't know what Apple has done, but they have figured it out, honey. They got it where if you upload it, it's clear, it's perfect. You don't even need an actual camera if you have an iPhone. If you don't have an iPhone and you don't really like iPhone or Apple products, that is okay. You guys, go out and get you a good camera, or at least start saving up for a good camera so that you can start posting quality pictures and recording quality videos of yourself. When I look on Instagram or videos or YouTube here, I want to see quality. I want to feel like I'm watching television or I'm looking through a magazine. That's pretty much what it's for. That's what we're doing. We're advertising and stuff. So when you think about advertisement, and if you go to a commercial shoot for a company, they have all the works, all the cameras, different angles, all the editing. So you want to make sure that you are taking quality pictures. It's the #1 most important subject. Think of yourself as a commercial ad. How would Target want you to look? What would Target do? The second step, which is also the most important step, it's like up there with #1, is to post consistently. Y'all, people don't have no reason to follow you. They don't get paid to do it or none of that. And brand ambassadors really do. They look at how many likes you get on your pictures and how many followers you get. It really depends on how much they're willing to pay you, or if they're not going to pay you anything at all. So you really want to make sure that you're posting consistently so that customers, or not even customers, I'll say consumers or followers or fans or whatever, are able to see you. You're on their mind all the time. They like the content you post, so now they're going to follow you. So a brand is going to see your page and say, her followers like her, they like her pictures, they comment, they follow her. Let me reach out to her to promote my product, because obviously they like what she doing, and if they like what she got on and she got on what's mine, they're gonna buy her product. So you want to make sure that you're posting all the time. I recommend that you post every single day. Now, I know some people say you can post 2 to 3 times a week, and that's good. When you're first starting out, when you're small, you need to post once a day. And that is so that, one, you're building up your portfolio, or like your resume, so you're posting pictures so that brands can find you. And also, you're always on top of the feed. You're always on someone's mind when they see your picture. And if they can see it, then brands can see it, because they literally have people who they pay to search Instagram and find people to promote their products. Step number 3, kind of a scary step, but you can take the initiative to reach out to brands yourself. Say there's a brand that you absolutely like. Obviously you want it to be something, a company that you like, a company that you trust, and you come up with the email template and you can make a good one that you can send out to every brand company that there is. Hello, my name is Essence Tiara. This is my Instagram, and put your socials at the front. I have a big following, or I have a very engaged audience, and they like to purchase products that I promote. I'm into beauty, fashion, lifestyle, travel, home, and let them know that I am willing to promote your products for free. I really just want to be a part of your brand ambassador team, and I love your products, and I believe my followers will too. Something simple, cute, straight to the point. They always have like an affiliate link, or maybe like their social media manager or someone like that. You'll send it to them and just wait for a response. You never know. One, because you've already offered to promote their product for free because you reached out to them. Not only that, you just took that initiative, so I know that you're going to promote my product because you found me. That's a really good tip and way to get companies to send you free products so that you can promote them for them. Another thing that I actually just started doing a week ago, and I got accepted into it today, but you can apply to companies that are made to help you promote and sell products from different brands. Perfect example is Like to Know It and Reward Style. So they kind of work together. Well, they do work together, but pretty much you apply to it. Now you do have to have a certain amount of either Instagram or YouTube followers, and they do want you to have a blog, and they just want to see that you post consistently. Do these for the next 3-4 weeks. You'll have that consistency because you're posting every day. But if you're doing that, you can reach out to one of them, you apply for it, and so pretty much what they do is, and I absolutely love this company, you take pictures in the clothes that you have on. So for a perfect example, say I take a picture in this shirt, which I did, go check out my Instagram, but say I take a picture in this shirt, I can find where I got this shirt, which was H&M. Go to H&M.com, find this shirt on their website as though I was shopping online, and you can copy that link it to your Like to Know It / Reward Style account that you have with them, and people can shop off of your Instagram. So it's almost like you're a brand ambassador without really truly being a brand ambassador, but you're still getting paid from that company. It's the smartest thing, and it's the easiest thing to do, and it's one way to automatically become a brand ambassador. This is a shirt that I've had for months, and I'm gonna take a picture in it anyway, so you might as well tag where you got the shirt from, and also make it where you can get paid if someone else shops for the shirt. Obviously, the more people that shop from the shirt, the more money you make. So you're a brand ambassador with your own clothes that you personally own. The very last one, number 5, is to apply to become an affiliate to these companies. There's a lot of different companies like Shein, Pretty Little Thing, Target, Walmart, Amazon. You can go into their website or go to Google and you can type in your favorite company or the company that you like to shop at the most. You can go to affiliate program. And so pretty much what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on that link and you're gonna sign up to become an affiliate. Most of them are free. They just want to know all of your socials so they can check you out, make sure that you know you fit along with what they promote as well. They don't send you anything for free, so you would still be shopping, but you get commission off of it as well. You would just go to target.com/affiliate program and you can sign up to become affiliate, and now you're a member with them, and so you get your clothes at a discounted price or your products at a discounted price. Y'all, there's so many ways. There's only 5 because I wanted to make this video short. Let me know if you guys want some more tips or 5 more tips, because I have like 10, because I am really working on becoming my own brand and just a brand ambassador for products that I love and to sell products that I already like to wear. So that's like my goal right now, is what I'm working on, and I really just want to help you guys out and spread the love, spread the wealth. But yeah, y'all, so let me know if any of these tips help you. Let me know if any of them work, which they will, which they shall. Y'all, it takes time though. You can't just do it tomorrow and expect for a million companies to be DMing you by 12 o'clock that night. Like, it just doesn't work like that. It's gonna take time. You're gonna have to be consistent, and you're gonna have to post every single day. And yeah, so let me know some of the things that you guys have been doing, or if you have any tips down below, or if any of these work for you, if they don't work for you, and as well as if you want me to post some more tips, because I can do that. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. You can follow me right here. My handles will be here. Also, I do have a like to know it, so follow me on Instagram. If you like this shirt, you can definitely shop for this shirt. I did get it from H&M, but if you get it from my links, you get a little discount off of your product. So you definitely want to make sure that you're doing that. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.